Hi, my name is Erin Radigan, and I'm the Operations Manager at Blockparty. Blockparty is a community-focused digital advertising company, and we use our mobile app platform to help local businesses connect with residents in their communities. As the Operations Manager, I'm involved in a lot of the day-to-day work of the company. I do our client onboarding, I manage the data that appears on the mobile app, I do our marketing, and a lot of other things that go on behind the scenes. So working at a small startup company, it's easy to try to tackle every problem or pursue every idea without stopping to think about what will be the most impactful and what will help reach the company's overall goals. What I gained from the Design Sprint workshop was a tangible and systematic approach to identifying problems that the company can solve and then prioritizing which ones will have the greatest impact and how can you work to tackle those first. For other operations managers and marketing managers, I would definitely recommend taking the Design Sprint workshop and using it as a tool to help you gather input from various stakeholders, problem solve with your team, and really get everyone together on board with one idea that will have a large impact and drive towards your company's goals.